In this video, I will walk you through the steps to add music to your WhatsApp status. Be sure to watch the entire video so you don't miss any crucial steps. Also, please like and subscribe to this channel for more tutorials. If you enjoyed this video, feel free to leave a comment. The first step is to open the Facebook app, then tap the story option. Next, choose the photo you wish to use for your status. After that, select your favorite song by tapping the music option. Once you've chosen the song, share the story on Facebook. Don't worry, just a few more steps remain. After posting the story to Facebook, tap on it to save it to your gallery. Click the three dots, then select Save Story. Once it's saved, open WhatsApp. Go to the Status section and tap on Add Status. Now, select the video you just saved and post it as your WhatsApp status. Simple. Don't forget to like and subscribe.